We are at gotomath.com. We're looking at some calculus problems, and specifically this particular one here. As you can see, this button's been pushed. We got the rules of differentiation, so we're in this section right here. This is where this problem's coming from. Let's move over to the whiteboard, and let's use, I guess blue would be a good color. Okay, we've got y is equal to the natural log of 3x to the 6th plus x plus 6, and that's raised to the 5th power. So to make this a whole lot easier, we're going to exercise one of the properties here of logarithms, and that is we're going to take the 5 and bring it out front before we actually take the derivative. So this is not the power rule. This is for derivatives. I guess you could say this is the power rule for logs, natural log, or logs in general. So I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite everything in parentheses here. Right, so you take the power and bring it out front. Alright, like I said, this is the property of logarithms, log functions. Notice I don't write y prime. Now we're going to go ahead and take the derivative. So I'm going to rewrite that coefficient. Okay, so we take the derivative of what's in parentheses, and that's going to be 6 times 3 is 18, x to the 5th plus 1, and then we write that all over what's inside parentheses. 3x to the 6th plus x plus 6. Whoops, I do need to write y prime there. Okay, so that is the derivative, and what you could do next is you can go ahead and distribute this 5 across inside 5 times 18, and then 5 times 1. Right, so that'd be what, 90 plus 5. Let's move over to the web page. Alright, so I don't distribute the 5 here. Actually, I just leave it factored out. Okay, and I'm not sure what's going on in the help button. If I push that, I've got the property here. Well, so I bring the n out front, I get that, right? But this is y prime right here. Okay, so we take the derivative of what's inside and then put it over. Derivative property of natural logarithmic functions, as you can see here, just bringing the n out front, and then we go ahead and do this part right here. So there it is. You want to come over here and click on this button here to find a problem like that. All right. Good enough. We're moving on to the next problem.